10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready? Start. In this regard, comma, it is necessary to consider the reply of the state to the affidavit in opposition of the National Commission stop at paragraph number in bracket 5th of page 7 thereof, comma, the concurrent power to the state legislature and state executive to define the other backward classes in the exercise of the power under section 2 in bracket H of the Act of 2012 is averred. Stop. The said paragraph also refers to section 16 of the Act of 2012, comma, as regards the executive power of the state to define the other backward classes by amending any schedule including the schedule first thereof. Stop. The state, comma, therefore asserts the interconnection between section 2 in bracket H and section 16 of the Act of 2012. Stop. The doctrine of pith and substance is generally applied to ascertain whether a legislature has made a law on a subject that falls within its competence in a situation where there is an overlap between the entries of the state list and the union list. Stop. The said doctrine is relevant for examining the entire length and breadth of excessive and illegal delegation spread across the Act of 2012. Stop. Para. This court therefore cannot shut its eye to the presence of section 16 in the Act of 2012, more so when section 2 in bracket H has been challenged on the ground of excessive delegation, which equally applies to section 16 of the Act of 2012. Stop. In the present case, comma, it cannot be said that there is no pleading in the true and meaningful sense of the expression, comma, as regards the challenge to section 16. Stop. The grounds urged by the petitioners for attacking section 2 in bracket H of the Act of 2012 are also applicable to address the illegality of section 16. Stop. Therefore, comma, the state has not been taken by surprise in this regard. Stop. This court in the course of the hearing has also pointed out to the state respondents and the petitioners that given the challenge made to section 2 in bracket H on the ground of excessive delegation, comma, section 16 is also required to be examined. Stop. Each party was therefore put to notice that section 16 is going to be examined by the court on the ground of excessive delegation of legislative power. Stop. No formal submission or time to respond to the same by way of pleading has been made by the parties. Stop. The subcategorized list of OBCs does not contain only 143 classes but 180 classes, as would be evident from the list of OBCs appearing at page number 57-61 of the affidavit of the National Commission. Stop. These classes have been subcategorized by the state executive in the exercise of section 16 of the Act of 2012, comma, which has been struck down herein. Stop. Therefore, comma, the said classes are liable to be struck off from the state OBC list and are hereby struck off. Stop. The definition of lists under the Act of 1993 includes the role of the Commission, given that the said Act comprises sections 3, 8, 9 and 10, which charts out the role of the Commission. Stop. Whereas the definition 109 of lists under the Act of 2012 Act is unqualified in the sense that to prepare the lists under the Act of 2012. Stop. Over. तो दोस्तों ये 120 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड का लीगल डिक्टेशन है. इसे लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा वीडियो को और कमेंट करके बताइएगा डिक्टेशन कैसी लगी. ओके. अगर डिक्टेशन को अगर ट्रांसक्राइब करने का मन हो तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ लिंक है वेबसाइट का, वहाँ पे जाके आप ट्रांसक्राइब करके ऑटो चेक करके अपने रिजल्ट्स देख सकते हैं.